Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here, welcome back to my channel. Today I have with me a gaming laptop which is from Asus. As you can see, Asus ROG Strix series laptop. So this is not my laptop, I haven't bought it personally. One of my friend who had bought it was kind enough to let me do the unboxing on my channel. So in this video I'm just gonna do the unboxing and show you guys what comes in the box, and also we're gonna talk a lot about this laptop. This is a pretty powerful laptop. It runs on i7 9th generation of processor and it has the Nvidia dedicated graphics card. So in this video I'll just be doing the unboxing and show you what comes in the box, what are the accessories that you're gonna get once you buy this laptop. So I bought this laptop from Flipkart. If you are interested in buying one of these Asus series laptop, then definitely do check the link below in the description. There's a great deal going on. If you go to the Flipkart laptop section, then definitely from there you can choose your gaming laptop, and I would highly suggest you check those links out. So let's start the video. Let's start the unboxing of this laptop. As I said before, that this video is not going to be a detailed review video. This video is going to be just to show you what comes in the box, and if you buy this laptop, what are the accessories that you're going to get with this laptop. So this video is all going to be about that. So if you do enjoy this kind of content on my channel, then definitely do give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here on my channel, then do subscribe to the channel, as it gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos for you guys. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So as you can see guys, this is the big box. So we're gonna just do the unboxing of this box first. Before we do the unboxing, let's have a look at the box. So here it is mentioned ROG Strix, and let me also show you at the back of the box what exactly is mentioned. So as you can see, it's some information is given by imported by and marketed by, and some information here. So let's just do the unboxing. Okay guys, so let me open the box, and once we open the box, oh my god, so I hope the camera is able to capture it properly. And this is the laptop guys. So it's a pretty big laptop, so it's a gaming and powerful laptop. I hope the camera is able to focus it perfectly. So as you can see, this is the laptop itself, and on here this is the Asus ROG logo, and if you look at the back, there are vents and everything. So we'll look at the laptop a bit later. So first let's see what else do we get in the box apart from the laptop. So let me keep this laptop aside. So apart from the laptop, there are three compartments. So one by one, let's have a look at it. So here we have some manual, maybe this ROG Strix manual are there. So yeah, pretty basic information about all this stuff, and gaming notebook PC as it says, and apart from that, some connector or something like that, and here are some extra screws provided. So that's that. So now let's look at the other compartment, what is there. So okay, so I guess this is the power brick that we are getting here, and as you can see, this is a pretty hefty power brick. Of course, this is a gaming laptop, so a massive power brick and a charging cable, of course, and this is the power cable. So this is a power brick and the charging cable, that's that. And the other compartment, I believe here it's empty. Okay, so that's all the accessories we get. Some basic charging cable and the power cable and the laptop itself. Now let's skip all these things aside. Let's have a look at the laptop itself. Alright guys, so this is the laptop. So let me just peel the plastic. So let me see how we can peel the plastic. Okay, so I have to do this from this side, and here we go. So this is the laptop guys, and the first impression guys, it looks really nice. If you look at the texture and everything, so it's basically a black and matte finish, and I haven't powered on the laptop yet. As you can see, this logo, it looks amazing, and I think so at night it will glow. And here you can see all the vents and everything are there. And here basically I'm not sure whether this unit has a DVD or CD drive or not. There are different ports, as you can see, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack is also placed. So if you look at the back of the laptop, it is Windows 10, it's mentioned, and some of the information, and heatsink area is present here. And as you can see, this is the hinge, and also some of the vents are present, and also an HDMI port and Ethernet cable port is present here. So that's the kind of overview. So by the time I just power on the laptop and boot it for the first time, let's give you a configuration overview on the screen itself, so you are aware about what exactly is powering this laptop, and what is the processor, and what exactly is the configuration of this laptop. So as you can see, this is the view of the laptop. Once you open the lid, this is the kind of view that you get. As you can see, WSAD, since it's a gaming laptop, all these arrow keys are marked with white, and this is a nice keyboard. I already feel clicky if I just try to type it on here. And also, as you can see, it's mentioned NVIDIA GeForce GTX and Intel Core i7. So this is a powerful laptop, guys, and as you can see, this is the hinge, and hinge is very strong. And also you can see, if you look at the screen quality, guys, there are no bezels at all. And one thing you have to note with this laptop, guys, if you buy this laptop, let me show you, let me see if I can cover it in the camera. So as you can see, the bezels are pretty thin, only there's a chin at the bottom. So if you're gonna play games on this thing, I think so it's gonna run fine. But you have to keep one factor in mind, that this laptop doesn't come with any webcam. So if you're kind of person who likes to have meeting and stuff, and wants to buy this laptop for office purpose, then definitely do invest separately on a webcam, because this unit doesn't have a webcam itself. And also let me show you the trackpad is quite comfortable, as you can see, and this is a left and right click, and it's nice and spacious. So let me do one thing, let me just try to power on the laptop for the first time, and let's see. Alright, guys, so now I have connected this laptop to the power cable. As you can see, this is the first boot. Let me show you if I can capture this. It says Republic of Games, as you can see, and this is the first look of the laptop, as you can see. So it's just taking some time for the first boot. As you can see, the keyboard and all, it's well lit, and it's just taking a moment because it's the first boot. And the screen quality, guys, the initial impression, the screen quality is awesome, because it doesn't reflect when you're trying to record this thing with the camera. So let me just set it up for the first time. As you can see, this actually glows. If I can show you, this bottom part actually glows. Okay, so this basically, okay, so basically this is getting set for the first time. As you can see, it's all Windows, guys, and the Cortana, and this is trying to set up the laptop for the first time, as you can see. So it's basically asking for the location and everything. So let me just quickly select this, and let me skip this, and let me show you how it looks like. So I'm just gonna connect it with my Wi-Fi. Let me see whether I can connect it or not. So guys, I've put the password, and let's see whether it is able to connect to the Wi-Fi or not. Okay, so let's click on next. So it is just taking some time. And also, if I show you the front part, it's this logo, I don't think so it glows. So as of now, it's not glowing. If I said at the beginning of the video that this glows, probably I was wrong. So let me see how much time it takes, because I just want to show you guys the first boot, how does it exactly look. So just gonna accept some terms and agreements, and let's see. It's gonna take some time, because we'll have to add our account and all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna skip this part anyway. This was just an unboxing video. So Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see any more videos on this laptop, probably a benchmark test, probably a gaming test, probably I might run some games on this laptop and probably would be able to show you actually in real world how the performance of this Asus laptop is, because it's a pretty powerful and hefty laptop. So this was just a quick and short unboxing video from my side. As you can see, this is the laptop, and I hope you like the video, this kind of unboxing and impressions and overview video. So as I said before, if you would like me to do any other video on this laptop, so definitely let me know in the comment section, so what all videos you would like me to make. So definitely I'll ask my friend so that he can borrow me this laptop for some time, so that I can show some benchmarking test or gaming test on this laptop, maybe in future. So then again, I hope you like the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you do, and also do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.